The folks that would love to tell you how great the weather is here. Of course, I'm being facetious. It's awful. They've got about 3 inches of snow on the ground, and it's a heavy, wet snow that's been coming down here for the past couple of hours. We've been under this band of snow that's set up a few hours ago. It's kind of been lifting back and forth, north and south, but been targeting this area in southern McHenry County, which is now under a winter storm warning. It was an advisory early, upgraded to an winter storm warning until 4 o'clock this afternoon. We're getting these big aggregate flakes that Mike Kaplan was talking about earlier this morning. And the snowfall coming down at the rate, I would guess, about an inch an hour. And this band's been here for a few hours, so that's why I'm estimating. I've come over here to show you something that hasn't been brushed off yet. About 3 inches of snow, 2 to 3 inches of snow has fallen here. Parts of McHenry County picked up about 4 inches of snow. And this is convective snow, so you might occasionally hear in some spots in northern Lake and McHenry County some thunders. So convection means it's an upward movement of energy, which you typically associate with thunderstorms. So you get that rapid upward shift of energy that makes the atmosphere very unstable. You might see lightning, hear thunder, and that's when you know snow is coming down pretty heavily. We shouldn't be surprised. March, we typically get about 6 inches of snow during the month of March. 2 of the worst all-time snowstorms that have hit the Chicago area occurred during the month of March, and this is going to be one of the worst for this winter, at least across parts of Lake and McHenry County. It's a good snow to kind of compact here and make a snowball. I'm going to show you that in a second, but again, the snow coming down here, the roads have been covered with snow for the past couple of hours. We've been behind a plow occasionally, and they're going to need to continue to plow. They're looking at maybe 6 inches of snow or more here before it's all said and done. I'm getting a little sentimental, guys, because the restaurant where I met my wife is right here, the Tryst in downtown Marengo. And here you go. I'm a photographer.
Good form, camera, so. Good form.
Yeah, your photographer is never going to forgive you for that one. Thank you, Tim.
No.
And let's send it over to Jeremy for a look at the roads.
Well, Brian and Natalie, things are still messy as you travel up northeast